Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the investing world: Charles Schwab versus Robinhood. With 2025 just around the corner, it's the perfect time to compare these two popular brokers and figure out which one suits your financial goals. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about fees. Robinhood has made a name for itself with commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, which is a huge draw for beginners and frequent traders. On the other hand, Charles Schwab offers commission-free trades too, but it stands out with lower costs on advanced features like mutual funds and international stocks. If you're all about keeping costs minimal, Robinhood might edge out, but Schwab's broader fee structure could save you money in the long run. Next, investment options and tools. Robinhood is super user-friendly with a sleek mobile app, perfect for quick trades and social features like Robinhood Snacks for market news. It's great for millennials or those starting out. Charles Schwab, however, packs a punch with advanced research tools, educational resources, and a wide range of investment choices, including retirement accounts and advisor access. In 2025, expect Schwab to continue enhancing its AI-driven insights, making it ideal for serious investors. User experience is another key factor. Robinhood's interface is intuitive and gamified, which can encourage learning but might lead to impulsive decisions. Schwab's platform is more robust, with desktop and mobile options that feel professional and secure. Security-wise, both are top-notch with features like two-factor authentication, but Schwab has a slight edge with its long-standing reputation and FDIC insurance on cash balances. So, which one is right for you? If you're a beginner or prefer a simple, mobile-first experience, go with Robinhood. For comprehensive tools and long-term planning, Charles Schwab is the winner. Remember, always consider your risk tolerance and do your own research. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments which broker you're using. See you next time.